Have you ever wondered how to make a 0-watt biryani that's both energy efficient and delicious? It's not just about the flavor, but also about embracing sustainability with a feel-good factor. Join me as I unravel this culinary journey to making a 0-watt biryani. Let's start by understanding the concept of 0-watt cooking. It's all about cooking the rice and other ingredients on residual heat, um, saving energy while ensuring the flavor is locked in. Um, One common pain point in cooking biryani is the energy waste during simmering, which you can now avoid. Start with marinating your chicken or veggies using yogurt, ginger, garlic, and a mix of spices for at least 30 minutes. Marination is key to infusing flavor without prolonged cooking. It's a common misunderstanding that longer cooking equals better taste. Uh, this method proves otherwise. Um, Pro tip, cook your onion, spices, and marinated proteins together on medium heat until they're halfway done. This helps build depth without overcooking. Many people fear undercooked proteins, but when you combine this method with the heat of the rice, it's perfect. Now for the rice, rinse and soak basmati rice for 20-30 minutes. A frequently overlooked step is the proper soaking of rice, which saves cooking time and ensures it's fluffy and perfect. Remember, this is not just biryani, it's a ready, set, energy efficient adventure. Boil the rice until it's 80% cooked using minimal water. The trick is to boil it just until there's a slight bite left, like when making pasta al dente. This technique is the secret to getting your biryani grains separate and perfect every time without overcooking. Layer the semi-cooked proteins and rice in a heavy-bottomed pan. Start with a layer of your protein mix, then alternate with rice. A major blunder people make is not layering correctly, leading to uneven cooking. Let's avoid that altogether. Top the final layer with saffron infused milk, fried onions, and mint leaves. These elements are flavor bombs that enrich your biryani with aromatic layers. And let's not forget the wizardry of saffron. It signifies luxury in Indian cuisine, blended with sustainability. Here's where the magic happens. Cover and seal your pan with a tight lid or dough. This traps the steam inside, an essential step in 0-watt cooking. This is where you let the power of heat conservation do its wonder. Without any more energy input, after sealing, place the pot on your heat source for 5 minutes. Then turn it off. The residual heat will finish cooking the biryani. Trust this process as it flies in the face of traditional high energy consumption, granting you both flavor and efficiency. Set your sealed pot aside for another 30 minutes with no heating. This patience is your ally. A common problem in cooking biryani is a rush to check it constantly. For 0-watt biryani, patience equals perfection. And there it is, your energy efficient meal that doesn't sacrifice quality. So what did we learn? You can cook biryani using minimal energy, respecting both the planet and your food. And it's all about using smart techniques and patience. Try sharing this recipe with friends, and maybe you'll inspire a new wave of sustainable chefs in your circle.